Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Loving you is easy. Loving you is wondrous and pure. I shouted from the rooftops. How long must I wait till I see your smile? Might have been the moonlight, caught up in the sparkle in your eyes. So wicked, and I know I should go slow, but it's not me to wait. 'Cause I'm alive and I'm on fire. Shot like a starburst into the sky. Oh, the fury of desire. You burn so bright, electrified. You light me up, you take me higher. I've been down a long road. I've become a stranger to myself. Digging in
Kakilala
my
kami niya na
heels.
way before first grade pa hanggang 6th grade. Yun, hanggang sa nagsakristang kami, hanggang sa naglalaro ng basketball. Bali, naging mag-close kami niyan. Naging mag-close kami niyan through yung sa mga session namin, inuman. Sa inuman, usually, pag mga lalaki, ang usapan ng mga lalaki, di ba, mga laro, mga ganyan. Pero kami nun, tropa namin, pinag-usapan namin yung mga babae, mga, siyempre, love life, ganun kami nun. So, ang masabi ko naman kay Tope, mabait yan, sobrang galante. Pag yan kasama mo, niyaya ka niyan, huwag ka nang maglabas. So, sure bull na yun. Wish ko lang sa kanyang dalawa, magkaroon sila ng maraming supling, tsaka good health, at saka sana magsama pa sila ng 50 years and above. Cheers.
Cheers. So of course, Shirley has something to say before we all raise our glasses and say cheers for the couple.
Ayan, good evening everyone. Kahit na medyo napuno na ako ng bubbles dito sa likod ko. Congratulations, my best friend Marnie and Chris. Kahit hindi ko pa siya masyadong nakilala, alam ko na aalagaan mong mabuti yung best friend ko, okay? Kung hindi, magkalapit lang kami ng bahay niyan. Marami akong mapagsusumbungan. Ayan. Marnie is my best friend since elementary. And kahit hindi na kami masyadong nagkaroon ng maraming interaction nung high school, college, we keep in touch. Ngayon na lang, pero sobrang mga precious moments na yung mga napag-uusapan namin, lahat ng mga napag-share namin. Kahit malayo kami sa isa't isa, we see to it that we communicate. And I'm so happy that I'm part of this very momentous